Welcome back to Code 2 Car, the channel where we bring you fresh and exciting updates on the latest cars, SUVs, and futuristic machines every single day. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay ahead of the curve with all the upcoming models, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Today, we're diving into one of the most stylish and refined luxury crossovers out there, the Lexus NX. The Lexus NX has always been about balancing luxury, style, and technology in a package that's more compact and city-friendly compared to its bigger sibling, the RX. The new NX takes that formula even further, blending Japanese precision craftsmanship with advanced hybrid and plug-in hybrid technologies, bold design, and all the comfort you'd expect from Lexus. When you first look at the Lexus NX, it immediately stands out with its sharp, modern lines. Lexus has leaned into a more athletic look without losing that premium character. The large spindle grille, now refined and more integrated into the front design, gives the car presence on the road. Sleek LED headlights with a signature L-shaped daytime running light add a futuristic touch. The side profile is sculpted, with a coupe-like roofline, sharp creases, and elegant proportions that make it look dynamic even when standing still. At the rear, the NX embraces a clean, connected LED taillight bar stretching across the back, paired with the bold Lexus lettering that makes it unmistakably premium. Inside, Lexus has elevated the game. The cabin feels like a sanctuary, quiet, refined, and packed with technology. One of the most noticeable upgrades is the huge touchscreen interface that dominates the center console. Lexus has ditched the old touchpad controller in favor of a more intuitive system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a highly responsive interface. The driver's cockpit is designed with a clear focus on ergonomics, ensuring every button, dial, and feature feels right where it should be. Premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof give the interior that first-class feel. Lexus also focused on sound insulation, using advanced acoustic glass and insulation materials to keep the cabin whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. Performance is where Lexus gives you options. The NX lineup usually includes traditional gas engines, hybrids, and even a plug-in hybrid variant. The hybrid NX 350h offers a perfect balance of power and efficiency, delivering smooth acceleration while keeping fuel costs low. For those who want something more electrified, the NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid is a game-changer, with an all-electric range that covers most daily commutes without using a drop of gasoline. And when you do need longer trips, the hybrid engine seamlessly takes over, giving you flexibility and peace of mind. Power delivery across the lineup feels refined, with Lexus tuning the suspension for a perfect mix of comfort and control. Now let's talk about something very important: finance and ownership strategy. The NX is not only a luxury SUV but also a smart financial move in today's market. The hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions save you money on fuel, which adds up significantly over the years. Compared to a fully gasoline SUV of similar size, the NX can cut fuel costs by almost half depending on your driving style. That means more money stays in your pocket. On top of that, Lexus vehicles are known for their reliability and strong resale value. Unlike some luxury brands where depreciation hits hard, Lexus cars hold their value remarkably well. If you're thinking long-term, that makes the NX a solid financial investment. For business owners or professionals, hybrid SUVs like the NX may also qualify for tax incentives or rebates in some regions, further lowering the effective cost of ownership. Driving the NX is an experience on its own. Lexus has fine-tuned the suspension for a smoother ride, ensuring bumps and imperfections in the road almost disappear. Yet, the steering feels sharp and confident, making it fun to drive in the city or on winding roads. For safety, the Lexus NX comes equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and more advanced driver assist features that bring peace of mind for both daily commutes and long-distance journeys. Another standout aspect of the Lexus NX is how versatile it is for different lifestyles. For families, the rear seats offer plenty of comfort and space, while the cargo area is practical enough for groceries, road trips, or even small adventures. For young professionals, the stylish design and cutting-edge tech make it an attractive choice that also signals success and taste. And for eco-conscious drivers, the hybrid and plug-in hybrid models align perfectly with reducing carbon footprint without compromising on performance. In terms of competition, the NX stands strong against rivals like the BMW X3, Audi Q5, and Mercedes GLC. Where those might lean heavily on performance or tech, the Lexus NX strikes a unique balance by offering exceptional reliability, refined luxury, and strong hybrid efficiency. It's a car that doesn't just look good on paper but actually feels rewarding to live with day in and day out. To wrap it up, the Lexus NX is not just another luxury crossover. It represents the future of Lexus design and technology, sharp, efficient, comfortable, and financially smart. It's a vehicle built for people who demand more from their cars: more style, more savings, more reliability, and more advanced features. Whether you're driving through city streets, heading on a long weekend getaway, or just enjoying your daily commute, the NX delivers on every front. That's all for today's deep dive into the Lexus NX. You were watching Code 2 Car, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and updates. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Code 2 Car, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our future uploads. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the Lexus NX over its German rivals? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.